Hey y'all, it's Kitty. I just wanted to hop on here and get ready with you guys. My plan is to do a makeup look based on my shirt, which is like red, green, purple. As usual, I do not have a particular plan, although I do have an idea of what I want to do. It's experimental as always, so why don't we just get started? Eyeshadow primer as usual. Set the lid with a matte cream eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by working Fireside by Coastal Scents into my crease. I'm going to go into Maroon Berry by Coastal Scents and just darken up my outer corner. And I'm going to use my same e.l.f. blending brush to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to put that all over my lids. Then I'm going to take my AOA Studios E111 brush. It is a flat packing sort of brush. And I'm going to go into my Z palette and I'm going to go into this shade, which is from the Urban Decay Vice 4 palette. We're going to try and go in dry, but I might end up wetting my brush. No brush wetting needed. The next thing I'm going to do is just clean up a bunch of the fallout. I don't know what you can see, but I noticed that I got a lot of it. Next, I'm going to go into this dark teal from Colourpop with that same AOA Studios brush and just dip the tip of it into that shade and darken up the outer corner. There we go. Sorry if you can hear the airplanes. Once again, my cat complains a lot if the windows are not left open, so the windows are open. Now this last step is one of the easiest tricks that I know, and I love it. I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 611 Yogurt. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And that's all there is to that. So this is the finished look. I just put on mascara. I used the mascara from my Cruelty Free by Christmas Project Pan. I will put the link to that up wherever the links go, as well as in the description down below. I'm really happy with this look. I hope you guys enjoy watching me do my makeup. I enjoyed doing it with you guys. And I've had so much fun filming. I feel like I say that every video, but it's so true. If you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe, that would mean the world to me. It would tell the YouTube algorithms that I am someone that they could start sharing. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye! My cat is trying to walk on my eyeshadow.